Hello, my name's Jake Hizzett, founder of Stob AI, and I'm going to introduce you to our automatic sales system, Sales Machine, built for businesses that just want a hands-free outbound engine. Most businesses commit to a system that costs around $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That's either in buying a SaaS and having somebody operate it, or relying on an agency like a third-party vendor to generate leads for you. This system does multiple outbound on different channels, completely hands-free, only for a commitment of 20 minutes a month. It does this through utilizing two pieces of technology, Make.com and Airtable. And from these two pieces of technology, we can integrate different software solutions that will automatically outreach on multiple social media channels and email at the same time, as well as synchronizing that with a CRM system or even being a CRM system on its own. We can scale this from 1,000 to 100,000 touch points every single month by consulting on the technology stack to enable you to reach your objective and goals in terms of how many meetings you want to book per month and what channels and systems you want to do that on. The first thing this system will include is a data layer to store all the contacts to make sure you have ownership of all the outreach that you do in a single month. You own the data. So we build this into your business. We're not a third party that keeps this information for ourselves. Once you buy it, you will own all the data, whether that's 1,000 leads or 100,000 leads. We will orchestrate this on Make.com. So we will tie all those different pieces of software together and install it in your version of Make.com. So you will own the system rather than relying on a third party. We can control how the system operates in terms of where we use AI to write those messages and how those messages look by taking information from the different channels and storing that in the data layer from the AI. And you can control the templates or even the tone of which the AI writes the messages through the control layer, making sure that you're in the loop at every single step of the process. And finally, we have the observation layer to make sure that you can see where those leads are coming from, which channels generate the most amount of revenue for your business, so you can optimize towards your target and goals or audience. Now I'm going to show you a demo of what this system looks like in reality. This system is actually the most basic format. It's doing about 1,500 outreaches a month, and it comprises of 8 different workflows. So you'll be given a dashboard where you can see everything that's going on and how the leads are tracking, an automatic CRM system that updates on its own so that you don't have to manage where the lead is. It will manage that by reading the messages that respond, as well as collecting all the information from the channels. You can understand what was the last action taken and which stage of the funnel they're in, as well as having professional summaries of those people so that we can personalize the perfect outreach to them. All of this is controllable through modifying the prompts. For example, here you can see that we are controlling how the AI writes the templated email from this prompt here, and the templates can be adjusted to organize and sort based upon different ICP, or in this case different locations, which enables us to give different offers to different consumer profiles or different messages to different groups based on geographical location to make sure that you can have offers that are specific to those audiences. All the messages are captured in a response table where you can see what the message was coming in, and then you're able to reply and then send the message back out onto the appropriate channel, whether that's multiple LinkedIn channels or email or multiple email accounts or even different social media channels. This system is so powerful because it acts as an operating system to your sales team. Once you buy it and install it into your business, it's yours to keep and you will never have to pay an agency retainer fees a month. Get in touch and let's build one for you.